Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Olive and I'm back again with another video. And today is all about hair care. Like the simple way you don't need all the products in this world to grow your hair. If you're interested in this video, see it and watch till the end. And if you're watching, you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you guys, you know the drill. Go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any other video I'll be uploading. Okay, now let's get right into the video. If you want to grow out your hair, is super simple. Forget the internet, forget everything. This is a simple way to grow out your hair. Remember me, I'm growing out my hair in a healthy way. I'm trying my best. I don't know it all. I'm learning and relearning how to grow my hair, but this is what I have to tell you guys. If you want to grow your hair out in a healthy way, is super simple, is super easy. You don't need all the products there in the world to grow your hair. It's just as simple as, you know. Okay, the first thing you need is to pre-poo your hair before you wash your hair. This is what works for me and I'm sharing it with you. The first thing I do is to pre-poo my hair. Now you can start using your rinse out conditioner that have a lot of sleep, or you can use your hair oil to pre-poo your hair. Personally, I prefer to pre-poo my hair with oil on not in on a damp hair, not like soaking wet, just applying the oil, focusing on the roots of my hair to the ends of my hair, focusing more on the ends of my hair because I do not want my hair to dry out while I am shampooing my hair. Now, after preparing my hair, now I've seen a lot of people using flaccid gel, aloe vera, and bunu to pre-poo their hair. You can use that if it works for you. Yeah, you can use that. You can even use this African Pride pre-shampoo to pre-poo your hair. Once you're done pre-pooing your hair, you follow up with your shampoo. Now, when you want to shampoo your hair, the first thing I will advise you to do is to fully soak your hair with water. Fully drench your hair with water because you want that conditioner, you want that shampoo to work for you. Now, once you're done drenching your hair and your scalp with water, you can go about 2 to 3 minutes drenching your hair with water. Yes, then you now follow up with your shampoo. Now when you want to apply the shampoo, you pour it into your palms, you emulsify a little, and then focus on the roots and on the scalp of your hair. The main place you should focus on is on the roots and on the scalp of your hair. You don't have any business with your hair length. Now you can now, once you're done massaging the shampoo on the scalp and on the root of your hair, you can now use the salt to wash the length of your hair. Now you don't need to be aggressive while shampooing your hair because you don't want to create more tangles on your hair. Now you can now walk your way down, walking in a downward motion while shampooing your hair. Now focus on the nape of your hair and around the edges. The here you focus here and the nape of your hair, focus more on that area and shampoo properly. And once you're done shampooing your hair, also make sure you are rinsing off your shampoo properly. When you do not rinse off properly, you're creating more build up, or let's say within the week you start getting flakes on your hair. The second thing you need to do is to use your deep conditioner. Do not miss deep conditioner in your routine. Is a yes for me. Once you're done shampooing, follow up with your deep conditioner. Instead of using your rinse out conditioner, replace it with your deep conditioner. Why deep conditioning your hair? That's when you need to focus more on the meat of your hair to the ends of your hair. You don't have any business applying your deep conditioner on your scalp. You don't have any business. If you don't have want to have build up, please do not apply your deep conditioner on your scalp. Now once you're done applying that deep conditioner, some deep conditioner will tell you to leave it on for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So the instruction on your deep conditioner, now you leave it on for that period of time and then you go about rinsing it off. Rinse off properly. So this is another thing I would like to share with you guys is to follow up. Once you're done rinsing off your deep conditioner, immediately you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is when to get the benefit of your leave-in conditioner. Follow up with your leave-in conditioner immediately you're done rinsing off your deep conditioner. So applying your leave-in conditioner in sections so you don't miss any part. Even your deep conditioner, you also have to apply it in sections. Okay, now once you follow up with your leave-in conditioner, you can now remember to squeeze out the excess water from your hair before using the leave-in conditioner. Yeah, you squeeze out the excess water, then you use your leave-in conditioner, working in sections, and then you can now wrap it up with your hair towel or anything, and then move out from the shower. Now this is the time you can now use your styling mousse or your sealing butter or your hair grease. And remember, when you are using all these products, you don't need to pack product on your hair. Little goes a long way. Then when you're working in any section and you need more, that's when you can now add more. Okay, do not pile products on your hair. You don't want to create build unnecessary build up. Now this is the reason why you need to rinse off your shampoo properly is because you do not want to have flakes and start accusing dandruff and start accusing dry scalp coming from someone who used a shampoo that is super difficult for me to rinse out. And when I'm done, when I'm out of the shower, I feel like okay, my hair is clean, not knowing that I still have residues in my hair. And now within the week I start to get these flakes, and I start accusing, oh, I have dandruff, oh, I have dry scalp, oh, why is this flakes coming out too much on my hair? These are the little things you can be doing, and then you don't know that maybe it's coming from your shampoo, yeah, or maybe you're not rinsing off the shampoo properly. So always take your time to rinse off the products from your hair once you're done shampooing and applying your deep conditioner. That's why I tell you that you do not have any business using your deep conditioner on the root or on your scalp. Yeah, so because you are using your shampoo and you're focusing more on the root and on your scalp, that's when you should focus more on rinsing off the shampoo properly. Take your time and rinse off that shampoo. Now, these are simple things you do to grow out your hair. You don't need all the products in this world. You can just use your pre-poo oil. You can even make your aloe vera, or you can do your flaxseed gel to pre-poo your hair, or your rinse out conditioner. Once you're done pre-pooing, you use your shampoo. Once you're done shampooing, you use your deep conditioner. Once you're done using your deep conditioner, you now move in with your leave-in conditioner, and then you seal it up with your hair, either your hair grease. You don't use hair grease and hair butter at the same time. It's either you're using your hair grease or you're using your hair butter or your hair oil to seal in the moisture. Now, why you want to seal in the moisture, do not apply products all over your hair. Little goes a long way. Focusing on the meat of your hair to the ends of your hair. Did you get anything? Did you learn something now? Okay, now this is something else you also need to apply to grow a healthy hair. You need to keep your routine as simple. You need to keep your routine as simple as possible. You can choose to wash your hair once every week, or bi-weekly. That's 2 weeks, right. 1 week you're having a protective side, the second week you are washing your hair. That's bi-weekly. So you can choose to wash your hair weekly or bi-weekly. But if you are on a long-term protective style and you do not want to wash your hair, that's when you can introduce apple cider vinegar and your water. You dilute the maybe 2 cups of apple cider vinegar into your water, and then you can use it to just clean your scalp. And once you're done cleaning your scalp, make sure that your scalp is fully dry, because you do not want to cover up your hair and start getting boils on your scalp. Okay, so that's all you need to do if you want to grow a long healthy hair. The product you need to grow out your hair is a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and then your hair grease or your hair butter or your hair oil. You don't need all the products. I think with this routine and with this products, you'll be able to grow out your hair just like mine. I'm feeling so confident in my hair ever since I started loving and listening to my hair, knowing what my hair loves, doing what I'm supposed to do on my hair. You can use a shampoo and you find out that this shampoo is working for me, but it's not working for you. Do not force it. Just drop that shampoo and pick the shampoo that works for your hair, because you don't want to start, struggling with your natural hair. You need to be confident. You need to feel, so much. I don't know how to put it. You don't need to do anything or use any product that will stress you and your hair. Use what works for you. Okay. So that is it for this video, and I know you learned something in today's video. So if you are watching and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you guys subscribe and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any other video that I will be uploading. Bye. See you on the next one.